Yo, what's good? Hold on, let me load the music. What's good? What is good in the chat? What's good, everyone? Guys, I'm super blessed, super excited to be here for another amazing night with every single one of you. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling ready. I love trade. Guys, gold, before we get into anything, this gold swing is looking beautiful so far. Looking beautiful. So everyone should be up handsomely right now on this gold swing. If you did get in the Discord, and if you're not in the Discord, you're missing out. Do you want to know why? Because I alerted this beautiful gold swing trade that we are currently in, and we are going to have another amazing night. We're having another amazing stream. We're going to do some giveaways. We're going to talk whatever questions you guys have. I'll answer as many as I can. We will try and get a beautiful setup. Hopefully another long to add to this position that we're already in. Another day to just come to the markets, execute our plan, execute our edge, use proper risk management, and yeah, just extremely blessed for another amazing night, another amazing stream with my family, with the people that are here every single night with me. I love each and every one of you, and I'm extremely thankful and extremely blessed to have each and every one of you in my life. And every single night when I do these streams, I get so excited because it's just another night for us to get closer, not only as friends, but as a family, to become better traders, to hopefully give you guys some knowledge that you could take with you into, when you do eventually branch, you spread your wings. Like every single one of you is my little peacock, and I want to see you spread your wings, and I want to see you fly. And so I gather all of you in my little ducky chicken coop, right? You little duckies, you little strawberry heads. I gather all my little strawberry heads together, right? And I teach them, and then I send them out, and I go like this, and I say, here, you're free now. You're free now. You don't need me anymore, right? That's the goal. I want you to come into the Discord. You're like, I want to learn from Ty. I want to take some of his concepts. I want to, gain some knowledge. I got my pen. I got my paper ready, and then one day, when it's all said and done, you're ready, you fly. You set yourself free from the chicken coop, and that's what each and every one of you. I'm gonna let all my little peacocks here fly, and I'm gonna be, although I'm gonna be sad to see my peacocks go, I will be proud, and I will be a happy father that I nursed you guys into becoming such powerful and amazing traders. And you know what? And then you'll pass that on, and it'll just be a cascading effect, right? So it's just, guys, this stuff comes to my brain, and it just comes out. It's like I get a thought, and I don't even rationalize it, and I just say it. And you know what? That's something that you guys are just gonna have to deal with, because that's who I am. But before I greet you guys in the chat, and before I look at the charts, we have to do our sponsorships tonight, guys. We have to do our sponsorships. Get the sponsors out the way. Let me put my sponsorship voice on. We'll do our sponsorships, and then we'll get into the charts, and I'll talk to each and every one of you. Are we ready? Here we go. Starting the sponsors. Here we go. Oh, if you look to my right, TradeZella, 20% off. TradeZella, code CF, the most underutilized, undervalued platform in the entire space. We're also doing one full giveaway tonight of 6 months TradeZella subscription. So stick around for that. We're super excited. And tonight, guys, very important, tonight is the last night to get your Apex Trader funding accounts with $85 activation fee for the 150K, the 250K, and the 300Ks. Tonight is the last night. It ends at 11:59 p.m. Code CF, 80% off there at Apex. If you want to act now, because it's going away tonight. 11:59, $85 activation fees for the bigger accounts. Act fast. Act fast. The best firm in the space, ApexTraderFunding.com. Code CF. Next sponsor, now I'm cooking, guys. Code CF for Funded Next, for everything that you need on the CFD side, right? If you're like, oh, I want to get into the futures, I want to dabble in CFDs as well. Funded Next has you covered, and they give you 15% of what you make in the evaluation phase. Not many firms are doing that. A trustworthy and long-standing firm in the business that's also paying you for your evaluation, sign me up. I wish I could trade with them, but I can't. Maybe one day they'll open their doors to U.S. traders. But guys, go use Code CFDF on thenext.com. And the 5-minute weekly news journal. The 5-minute weekly news journal at marketjournal.com. Get your free 5-minute weekly news journal and the prop firm trader to compare and contrast various different prop firms, right? In an all-in-one cohesive platform, whether you want to know specific rules, whether you want to compare and contrast different prop firms, whether you want to see what prop firms offer certain account sizes, whether you want to see equity or balance-based drawdown. They got it all for you. They got you covered. Now head on over to the prop firm trader and make it snappy and get over there. And that's it. And how'd I do? And I think I did good. Another night of amazing sponsorships. I put my sponsorship voice on, and I made Rizzy Boy proud. Now I'm gonna get into the charts, and I'm gonna greet every single one of you in the chat because I'm sure the chat's going wild, and I just want to see what's going on. Here we go. Goldie's cooking right now. All right, how are we doing tonight, chat? How are we doing? How are we freaking doing? Let me say what's up to everyone here. I'm scrolling all the way up. Who's been here first? Manifest FX, Coding Garden, Stacks Trading, TNG Fan Vlog, Emmanuel, Dexter, Red Adulum, Dynamite Tiger, Ernesto, Steve, DP, Tudor, Tyler Trades for Days, Vince, what's good, my brother? Who else we got here? Neo, what's good, Neo? Arbel, what's good, Arbel? NY Stevenson, what's good? Demon D, what's good? John, how we doing, brother? Miss Goody, what's up, Miss Goody? John, Tony LaRose, Post TTG, Big Mac D, Alejandro. Yo, how are we doing tonight? Goldie, guys, please let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat, is anybody else in on this swing? I am looking beautiful on this swing trade right now. Beautiful. Freaking beautiful. Is anybody else in this swing currently? Guri. Oh, what's good, Guri? We are currently up $940 on FTMO on one of our accounts. We are, oh no, on both. So two 200Ks, 934 there, floating. What are we up here? Let's see. This is a bigger one. This one we're up $3,700 already. $3,700 right there. Let's see here. What are we up here? We are up close to $1,000 here as well. Guys, we are looking great. We are looking great on this swing trade. A beautiful, beautiful entry. We're gonna see if we can get a position here, right? Is it 8? All right, let me get my kill zones on here. Make sure we're good to go. Boom, boom, boom. And we'll save that as default. And like I said, guys, I ideally want to see if we can get another long because we'll build off of our 4-hour bias, right? So coming into this evening, well, during Asia, I want to see a nice long setup get presented to us so then we could add to our position, right? Only we'll be adding onto the future side. Our swings will still be active on the CFD side, but if we can get a nice play that also aligns with what's going on in the 4-hour, excuse me, guys, that's going to be the most high probability. I caught the short last night, missing the run all the way back up. Just entered short again on gold. Blaine, you're short on gold right now? Oh, boy. Blaine, that is dangerous, my brother, to be short on gold right now. Very dangerous. I couldn't be more long biased on gold right now. I mean, this is beautiful. This is freaking beautiful. Thinking about taking anything, going short on this right now, you're out of your mind, dude. You're out of your mind even thinking about shorting this right now. It's crazy. This is a freaking bull train, dude. This is a bull train. You're better off, bro. If you're thinking about shorts, you're better off closing your eyes right now and taking a long. Your probabilities are probably higher. Shorting this right now is psychotic. There's just no way. Where are you long from? I am long from right here. I am long from 3.8. You know what? Yeah, because I took this on CFDs. because I told everyone, if you're going to take a swing, this swing has to be on CFDs because we need to be able to hold this for, you know, multiple days. So I am long from, as soon as this H4 candle closed, I was long on 3843.93. My entry was probably around there, but as soon as this H4 candle closed, I was immediately long. I alerted everybody in the Discord well ahead of time. Let me get the Discord. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. Let me give me a sec here, guys. Get Discord up here. Open Discord. All right. So I'll show you so you guys could see. I alerted this out here. I put it in mine, right here at 1:43 p.m. right? So if you're active in the Discord, I put it in my channel like I said I would. I said I would let you guys know when I'm thinking about going long on gold. I put it here at 1:43. I said I really like this play. This is a beauty, and I added everyone. So I said on this H4 candle close, I was going to go long, and beautiful trade turning out so far, and we're just going to see how it plays out. It's looking amazing. I really like how this trade is running right now. This is where I kind of alerted it out at 1:43 p.m. Yeah, so it's in my channel on the Discord. If you're not part of the Discord, I'll drop the Discord link below. Boom, exclamation point Discord should take you guys. I think that should work. I thought it was supposed to work. Oh, man, John, you... Yeah, wait, guys, so midnight tonight, right? Midnight tonight. Yeah, yo, my whatchamacallit, it's lagging a little bit, my chat. Midnight tonight, we should know if we're getting a government shutdown. I think by 12:01, by 12 o'clock, they have to know. So by 12:01 or whenever that news comes, guys, if we get a government shutdown, I'm telling you right now, hold on here. If we get confirmed government shutdown by midnight tonight, right here, look at it. If we get a government shutdown tonight by 12:01, here we go. Granny, hold on to Granny. Hold on to Granny. Granny, get in there. Granny, get in there. Granny, don't. There's Grandma, and then here's Michael. Hey, Michael. And then hold on, pal. If that government shuts down, hold to your pants, okay? Because we're going on a moon mission. And Granny's going to take you there. Granny will take you there. She'll take you to the promised land. All you got to do is trust Granny and trust Michael. That's it. And you know what? I'll put up here too. And I'll leave this here. So Price knows. Right here. Boom. There you go. Right there. It's already up there. The magnet's there. Granny, no. Did you enter based on the Bollinger Bands? Yeah, so the government has... Okay. Let's pull up the... Do you want me to pull up the exact economic news for you guys? Hold on. I'll pull it up. Okay. Let me pull it up here. So, essentially, what's going on is... I'm going to read it. Wait, let me get it here. The federal government would shut... Okay, it says... Looming shutdown. Congress is veering even closer to a government shutdown at midnight after a deadlocked Senate failed to pass a pair of dueling funding plans, fueling anxiety in Washington about how long a stalemate could last. Now, if this does occur, right, there will be no economic data release. So NFP won't, there'll be no NFP. There literally will be no NFP. There'll be nothing. So this would be my first time going through something like this. And, yeah, so there would be no NFP on Friday if the government shut, because it stated that they won't be releasing any economic data at all. So this is pretty interesting stuff. So look, and it says right here. It says the shutdown will begin in 3 hours, 49 minutes, and 50 seconds. Yeah, I mean, I've never traded through something like this, so it's going to be interesting to see. Does everybody? Yeah, it's pretty neat. But like I said, if this does occur and they don't come to a decision, which I don't think is going to happen within the next 3 hours, I promise you right now, gold is going to fly. Gold is going to fly because people are going to be scared. People are going to be scared. And it should be extremely bullish for gold. No, they're not. How can one get in late? Raphael, what do you mean by getting in late? Like you're saying, does everybody know why I took this swing trade? Does everyone understand why I got into this position? So let's see the 15-minute here. We got to wait because this 15-minute candle just opened. And like we know, guys, we want everything to be internal. So we wait for this first 15-minute candle to close. So does everybody understand why I took this position? So I took this position, right? So what happened here is that we had this move to me was all manipulation. This is how you know if the move is manipulation, right? I'm going to teach you guys something. To know that this is going to be an invalidated fair value gap, right? Is because price will tell you right away, right? So we inverted this 4-hour fair value gap here, right? So that's your first sign that, things could get a little hairy. You could be bearish, right? But immediately after this fair value gap, right? If this September 30th, 6 a.m. candle closed bearish, this trade wouldn't have been valid, right? The fact that it closed bullish now gives you the opportunity, okay, the next candle has to disrespect this fair value gap for us to be interested in the trade. If this candle did not close bullish or this candle did not invert the fair value gap, none of these plays would have been valid. So this entry is valid based off of what would have made this an A+ entry if we swept this low. If we swept this low down here, that would have been your confirmed CRT, right? This is why I state this as a B+ setup because everything else is there except for the sweep of a low. So that's the only thing that could, potentially cause it to not be an A+ setup, right? Because based on my data, you want to see a sweep of a low. We left the fair value gap, we closed bullish, and then we inverted immediately right after. So that shows you it's like sellers tried to step in here, right? But the buyers were so strong, right? This imbalance in the market was immediately reclaimed, right? They said, yo, this fair value gap where sellers would be to draw the market lower, this shit ain't happening yet. We're not ready to go down. Gold's like, bro, you thought I was going down? Watch this. It's like, you know what Gold said? Gold said, hold my beer. Hold my beer, watch. You think I'm going lower? You're crazy. I'm not ready to go lower yet. The party's just starting, right? So this is a beautiful, beautiful trade. And what we're going to build that off of, right? We have our 4-hour narrative, right? So our bias is already long, right? We inverted the fair value gap. We're in on a swing. So we would want to catch a potential long play during Asia so that we can get in on the future side and then catch the full daily expansion. But it didn't sweep the liquidity 100%. But like I said, I still took the setup, right? I risked a lot. If this swept the low, right, I would have risked way more on this trade. I risked 1%. So if this swept the low, I would have risked 2% on this trade for sure. Because it's got such a high hit rate, especially on gold. The fact that I didn't sweep the low, but I inverted right away, and this candle closed bullish, it was enough for me to be like, yo, if you don't get in this trade, you're really going to be missing out. So I'm totally fine with the risk. I risked 1%. And for the upside potential, like I showed you guys previous plays. Let me show you. I'll show you an exact play where it happened on previously. Watch this shit. Hold on. Give me a sec to find it. Boom. Right here. Look at this. Does this look familiar? Does this look familiar? What does this look like? Yo, what does this look like? Someone tell me. You know what? Hold on. We'll do this. This will be even better. So you'll see it better. Hold on. Give me a sec. What does this look like? Huh? You see something? You see something familiar here or what? What do you see here? Tell me, what do you see? What do you see? Right? Do you ask me the RR on this UJ trade. It's well over 1 to 100. Oh, would you look at that? Oh. Guys, I'm telling you, dude, trust your edge, trust your system. This is a high probability, high conviction play. This is a good play, right? The risk to reward is worth it, man. If I get stopped for 1%, but I could catch over 30 R in a trade, you don't think I'm going to take this? Whoa, you're out of your mind. You're out of your mind, bro. This is gorgeous, dude. This is a sick fucking trade. The data doesn't lie, dude. The data doesn't lie. Hold on, I gotta put the air on real quick. I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot, and I'm getting excited because I'm ready. I'm ready for an amazing night. I'm ready for an amazing night. Let me put the air on. Hold on. I changed my hat too. I didn't like the way I looked in that hat. I looked ugly. I didn't like the way I looked in that hat. And this one's more comfortable. Okay. Oh, this is much better. This is... Well, let me center myself here. Okay. Now, let's go back to the 15-minute. What are you guys saying in the chat? Can everyone let me know? Oh, okay. This is a slow grind up. Great trade. Yeah, this is a freaking awesome trade, man. Awesome trade. I'm super excited about it. Guys, all you got to do is sit there and wait. Don't look at it. Don't even look at it. Forget you're in the trade. Forget you're in this gold trade right now. We're going to hopefully get another nice entry, right? To go off of our bias that we already have, right? But yeah. Oh, let me show you. Actually, let me show you another setup. Ready? Let me show you one more. Let me show you another one here. Ready? Hold on. You want to see something else? Guys. What does this look like right here? What does this look like? You see something familiar here? What does this look like? Why does this... Oh, wait, hold on. Let me fix the fair value gap. Boom. Guys, have you seen this before? It looks kind of like something. What did NQ run to? Oh, 1 to 50. Oh, darn. Oh, 1 to 50. What? Is this something that we've seen before? It looks like it. Right? Guys. I'm going to say a bold statement here. You know what? Because I believe it. I genuinely believe this when I say it. I swear to God. I am one of, if not the best swing trader in the entire prop space. I catch the highest RR trades out of anybody else in the prop space. I don't care. I'm telling you right now. I know for a 100% fact, I probably catch the highest RR trades in the entire prop industry. I'm hand to God. I'm not making this up. This is not the gloat. This is serious shit. My edge is built around big, fucking huge swing trades, right? I'm telling you, I genuinely think that I am probably one of the, if not the best swing trader in the entire prop space. I'm telling you right now. The H4 time frame, correct. No, listen. I talk my shit because I can back it up. Like, I literally have the biggest swing trade in a prop firm's history in one trade. I have the biggest swing trade ever. It was a 1 to 51. I am sure about it. I hit a 1 to 51 RR trade. Who the fuck else is doing that in the prop space that isn't scamming? For real. Honestly, who is it? Who is it? Who's doing it? Name another trader in the prop space that's hit a 1 to 51 RR trade and has the biggest payout in the prop firm's history. Name someone else who's done it. But I'll wait. There's not a single other fucking trader that is not scamming that has done that shit. I'm telling you right now. I don't give a fuck who it is. And I'm giving my shit away to you guys for free because I love you. That's what I'm telling you, bro. This is facts. I mean, yo, even if you are a swing trader, right? Most swing traders ain't hitting 1 to 50 R straights. No shot, dude. Most swing traders are hitting like 1 to 6, 1 to 10, and that's big trades, bro. That's big trades. And the thing is, what makes me good at swing trading is I have the fucking balls to sit there and hold it. And you know what? Sometimes you got to talk your shit a little bit, right? There's nothing wrong with that. I put my fucking blood, sweat, and tears into this shit. If you don't think I'm going to, you know, gas myself up a little bit, you know, I worked my whole life to be at this point, man. And I'm fucking damn proud. I'm damn proud of where I am and what I've accomplished, and to be able to give it back to you and for free and have Marco here and everyone here. And yo, we're building something fucking big, man. We're building some really shit. I'm about to make some serious fucking traders out of you guys. You guys are about to be real fucking good ass traders. Why? Because you have a real fucking edge from a real trader. No bullshit. No Zeusy. Oh, my name's Zeusy. Join my $15,000 class on fucking moon phases. No. No, Zeusy. Fucking disappear, pal. Your days are done, Zeusy. I don't even want to see you on social media anymore. Disappear off of X. Okay? We're building real fucking traders here for free with our Discord, right? Real shit. We about to take over. The ChartFanatics traders are going to be the best traders in the fucking space. Everyone's going to know. Yo, where'd you learn your edge from? Fucking watching TG and Marco and ChartFanatics. That's where we learned our edge from. Real fucking traders. Oh, hold on. Pay me $15,000 first, and I'll teach you. Pay me 15 grand. I'm gonna teach you something so secret. I'm gonna teach you something so secret that nobody else has access to. Zeusy, please lay off the crack pipe, please, pal. And listen, dude, I can't even respect that. I can't. It's like, dude, what are you gonna tell these people that's not already available on YouTube for free? What are you gonna say? What are you possibly gonna tell these people? And you know what? I feel bad for the people that fall for that bullshit. Guys, it's all fucking scam. It's all a scam. Please don't ever believe any of that shit. There's no secret code. There's no secret sauce. It's just hard work, dedication, and fucking discipline. Nobody's gonna go and shell some fucking shit out to you for 15 grand that's gonna change your life. Nobody. I'm telling you right now. Please don't ever fucking believe it. It's all fucking nonsense. It's trash. It's not real. It's a fugazi. I'm gonna give you real shit, real trading for fucking free. For free. Real knowledge from a real profitable trader who's done multiple six figures in the market, I could charge a fucking course for 15 grand. You think I would ever do that? I wouldn't even be able to sleep with myself at night. I wouldn't even be able to do that to someone and scam people. It's fucking disgusting. It's gross. You're going to learn real trading from me, from Marco, from Papa Riz. Like, these are real traders, bro. Real traders. You know what I mean? Yo, and this is the plan, guys. This is the plan. On the weekend, I'm going to do a stream on the weekend, right? And we're going to go over the one model, right? So, you know how you guys asked me, yo, Ty, teach me the 1 minute model. Yo, Ty, teach me the 4-hour model. Each weekend, excuse me, guys. Each weekend will be solely focused. So we'll come to the charts, right? And I'll teach you. and I'll teach you in-depth knowledge of what you want to look for. And every single one of you is going to get a pen and paper, and you're going to jot this shit down, and you're going to fucking study it. And when the charts aren't moving, you're going to backtest. You could backtest on TradeZella. You could also backtest on TradingView. So you could do bar replay, and then, but TradeZella is the absolute best. You can get everything there, and then you could have full detailed analysis on what's going on. You could create notes. You could take screenshots. You could do record everything in one cohesive platform, and then you're going to develop your edge. And every single day when you come to the market, you're going to look for your play, and you're going to have a nice, decent playbook, right? I'm going to teach you 3 solid foundational plays that you guys are going to have. And you're going to come to the market every single day. You're not going to look for any fucking thing else other than those 3 plays. If those 3 plays aren't there, you don't fucking trade. You don't take an extra trade. You don't take something outside your system. If you do, I will personally come and find you and give you the biggest wedgie over your head until your fucking underwear rips. And you're walking around grabbing your damn asshole, okay? So this is what you're going to do. 3 plays that we're going to go over, right? We're not going to do this all in one shot because it's going to be too much for you. You're going to be like, okay, Ty showed me play 1 in the playbook. He's going to show me play 2, and he'll show me play 3. If I deviate, Ty will fly to me wherever I am, and he will physically grab me by my underwear, rip it through my asshole, and I will hang you on a fucking flagpole. See if you could trade after I do that. And trust me, I'll win. Okay? That's what's going to happen. So it's like, oh, if Ty doesn't want me, oh, shit. No, Ty's not going to come to, Ty won't come to Croatia and find me. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? You know how many Amex points I have? I got free flights for the year, pal. I'll fucking fly to Croatia right here. I'll grab you by your drawers, and I will bring you, I will physically bring you up to the biggest flagpole in all of Croatia, and I will hang you there for all your Croatian brethren to see. And I will have you, you'll hold a sign. I didn't stick to my rules. I'm a jerk off. Would you like that? I don't wear underwear. Yeah. I don't wear underwear. Who doesn't wear? You guys don't wear underwear? Yo, Tudor, I always wanted to visit Texas. I want to visit Texas. I freaking love you guys so much, man. I freaking love you guys. Yo, everyone goes, I don't wear underwear. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Yo, mods, can you please drop the Discord for everyone who's not in? Yo, listen. Honestly, you know what? It's probably really nice to just have the manhood just free flowing in the wind, right? Wait. Guys, are you guys onto something? Wait, should I just not wear it? Wait, hold on. Can I ask you something, a serious question? Is it weird if I don't? Is it weird if I start, like, I'll wear it to the gym, right? But is it weird if I like, okay, if you're wearing jeans, right? If you're wearing jeans, you don't wear underwear. Imagine you get caught in the zipper. So if you're wearing jeans, you don't wear underwear, guys? For real? Bella, what's good, Bella? Yeah, it's got to be weird, right? Has to be. This got to be strange. I don't know. I don't know. Would you guys judge me if I didn't? Yeah, it is, right? Mama Bella's here, everyone. Everyone say hi to Mama Bella. We love her here. We're super excited that she's here. She's the best. I'm wearing my shirt. Best profit in the entire industry. ApexTraderFunding.com. Today's the last day for 80% off. Code CF. $85 lifetime activation fees. You have until midnight. Yeah, you have until midnight. You know, the sale ends at midnight tonight. Need the skid mark protector. Oh my god. Something about Yo, I love that movie. We got a bleeder. Yeah, you guys are freaking hysterical. All right, guys. So, I like how this candle's pushing down. Here. Very nice. This could be the manipulation, right? This could be the manipulation here. Yeah, guys, can you run the likes up for me? I would really appreciate it. All right, here, now, guys. Okay, let's focus in. Let's focus in. Let's focus in. Hold on, guys. We may have a play here. If this candle closes like this, Granny, and we invert, we will go to Mars. Okay? Look at this. Please, Granny. No. Goldie, Granny, don't. You stay right there for 15 minutes. You stay right there. Oh, we didn't create a bottom wick, though. Oh, we did. Did we create a bottom wick? We created a bottom wick. We created a bottom wick. Small bottom wick, but it's there. It's there. Granny, don't. Granny, don't. You stay right there for 14 minutes. Granny, you stay right there. Goldie, you stay right there, Granny. You don't move. You stay right there for 15. You stay right there so we can take a trade on stream. Granny. You stay right there. Don't move. You keep that fair value gap right there, you naughty little gold. Hold on, Granny. Hold on, Granny. Wait, I don't want to hit it too many times, okay, guys? Guys, I don't want to hit it. I'm just going to hit... Guys, you think if I just hit it one... Oh, shoot. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Granny? Granny, don't. Okay, I like that. But, okay. Granny, don't. Stay right there. Okay, hold on. Oh. You stop it right there. You stop right there. Guys, should I hit it? Guys. Guys, okay. Guys, do I... ICT. I would like to gather everyone here today. And tonight, for tonight's nighttime ritual, we will be doing the ritual. I won't mess up like last night. I promise. I promise I won't mess up. We will be doing... I would like everyone here to gather for the nighttime ritual. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. ICT. Please don't invert this fair value gap just yet for me. If you cause this CRT, and then give me an IFVG so I may take this trade with my community. ICT. Oh boy! Well, it's not working. Guys, it didn't work! Guys, it didn't work again! We're going down! Guys, it's going down. Oh, jeez, I should have hit it. I should have hit it that hard. Yeah. It's every time. Wait, guys, it does the exact opposite. Guys, every time I do it, it does the opposite. What the heck was that? The candle just nuked down. What in the world was that? Oh, come on, Granny, don't. Guys, as soon as I did the ritual, it plummeted down. Oh my. Guys, I gotta start doing something. I gotta do it the opposite. Every time I do it, it goes the wrong way, Granny. Granny, don't. Go the other way. No, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get up here. Get up here. Please, I want to take a trade. Granny, don't. Okay, wait. It's okay, though? Okay, it's okay because this could be another fair value gap. Wait, hold on. Wait. Maybe the song is setting up. Hold on 1 second here, guys. I think potentially the song is setting up. So this could be another potential fair value gap, and then we get the inversion. So this could simply just be a little hold on here. I'm getting excited. You go back up there. You get up there. Oh, you get up there. Get up there. I'm not gonna ask again. ICT. Please sweep this liquidity. If you sweep this liquidity, then give me the CRT and invert this fair value gap for me. I will have a trade with my community. ICT. Please sweep this liquidity, generating a CRT, followed by an IFVG, so I may take this trade with my community. Amen. Thank you! And thank you to everyone here for the nighttime ceremony of Tyler's rituals with the pumpkin scented candle for Halloween. And then if I had sage, I would be saging as well. So that's here we go. Okay, there we go. Get back up there, Granny. Get up there. Granny, get back up there, you naughty little gold, you. Stop right there. You go back up. This is right. You stay right here. Guys, I am summoning a great trading week upon you, manifesting many profits and not many and tight losses. You will get hold on, let me finish here. You guys will receive a $20,000 payout. You will receive max payout land from ApexTraderFunding.com on 300K accounts, generating 70,000 whole dollars in profits. Michael, he's our man. If he can't do it, nobody can. ICT, Michael, you are my ICT. Michael, he's our man. If he can't do it, nobody can. Thank you. Break out the Ouija board. This kid goes, break out the Ouija board. Yo, I can't even take myself serious anymore. Guys, it's working. Hold on, it might be working. Guys, wait, it's dead ass working. Hold on, get Granny. You get back up there right now. You go right up there and you close bullish. Get up there. Get up there, Goldie. I know it's a fake out. Guys, I know this is all a fugazi. This is a game. It's a waiting game. It's gonna go back up. We have to do one more prayer. Here. Hold on. This is one big one. Okay. I forgot. Hold on. Bro, hold on. I forgot one thing. Okay. Thank you for joining me tonight. Thank you, each and every one of you, for joining me tonight for another amazing stream. Tonight is gonna be sponsored by Michael, also known as ICT, and I just want to let everyone know that we're gonna do one small prayer tonight for our trading profits and to generate extreme wealth and income for the rest of the week. Now, please, if you guys do know the words, sing along with me. I forgot the hat, guys. It was very, very crucial because this was a big step here. So let me just do this one more time. ICT, please sweep this liquidity. ICT, please create this CRT, followed by an IFVG, so I may take this trade with my community. Thank you, Michael. And then last one, Michael, he's our man. If he can't do it, nobody can. Thank you. And I just want to say thank you in advance to everyone here that did sing along. I will be sending you a goodie bag of a pumpkin candle for your condolences. It's going back up. Okay, and there you go. It's because I didn't have the hat on, guys. You got to remember, I didn't have the hat on. So what happened here is that it didn't generate like the neurons, the electrons that do it. Do you see it? You fucking see it? Do you fucking see it? Are you kidding me? What'd I say? Look at, oh, Tyler doesn't know what he's talking about with his little candle. Oh, Tyler's so dumb with his candle. You get up there. You see that shit? Do you see that shit? You guys, oh, Tyler doesn't know what he's talking. Oh, don't you dare do it to me. No. Granny, don't you dare. Don't you fucking do it. Oh my, Granny, don't. No. Please leave the gap. Please. No, Granny. Oh my God. It's small. It's still there. It's still there. You stay right there. You stay right there. You stay right there. Stay right there. I told you. You guys are like, oh, dang it. I told you the song would work. I freaking told you. You guys didn't think the song would work. The song worked. The song worked. You guys think I'm lying. No, Granny. Guys, you think you... Oh, get up there. I told you guys didn't believe in the song. I said it was... Oh. Get up there. Oh, it's... Guys, I had the magnet on. Oh my God. I had the freaking magnet on too strong. Granny. Oh, man. Yo, I had the magnet on too much. Guys, it's ripping. I told you the ritual would work. You guys don't believe me. You go, oh, Tyler's an idiot. He doesn't know what he's talking about with the ritual. He has no idea what he's talking about. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Explain that then. Go back. You know what? Go back, rewind the stream. Rewind the stream. Well, you can't. Well, what, tomorrow, okay? You guys making fun of me. Oh, Tyler's stupid. Tyler's, oh, you laughing at the candle man. You laughing at the yeah? Laughing at the candle man? Look what just happened. You think my rituals are a joke? You couldn't be more wrong. You couldn't be more wrong. I had the magnet turned on too much. That's what happened. I turned the magnet on too much. Ah, dang it. Calvin, you took... Guys, I was hoping it wouldn't invert that fair value gap. I really was hoping it wouldn't happen. Unfortunately, it did. It's pretty volatile right now. Pretty volatile right now. Man, that sucks. That's really annoying. I need some... This is going to be a tough candle now, guys. Do you want to know why? This is going to be a tough candle because... I'm telling you why. I'll tell you why this is going to be tough. Because you're going to need a real big candle now to create some sort of displacement because of this wick. This wick was really, really big. And we tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap here, right? So... Damn! Yo, that's annoying. I did the ritual too many times. Oh, I'm still... Wait, are you guys talking about the 4-hour? Do you think I'm not in this 4-hour trade? You out of your mind? Of course I'm still in. I was trying to get in on a 15-minute as well. Oh, you guys are crazy. You don't think I'm still in on my 4-hour? Oh my... Guys. Hold on, wait. You guys, everyone who took the 4-hour trade still in it, right? Nobody got shaken out of that, right? Hold on. Wait. Guys, the people who took the swing trade, you guys didn't close your trade, right? Please tell me you did not. I told you do not even look at this. We are monitoring it from a 15-minute time frame now to potentially get an entry to go long on the future side. The CFD side, you don't even look at this. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, DP, I just wanted to make sure that none of you guys exited that position. Okay, good. Okay. All right, good. Okay. Whew. You guys scared me for a sec. You scared me. Okay, good, good, good. I don't know. I thought maybe you guys got shaken out by the 15-minute candle. I don't know. Yeah, do not touch it. You leave it. You set and forget. You do not even look at this. We are looking at the 15-minute for a more internal play to potentially get a trade now during Asia to carry on through into tomorrow. All right, good, 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 good. Okay. Yo! T-Boy. Yo, guys, if you know Tyler Trades, you guys know Tyler Trades. That's my homie. That's my brother. My brother's here. Yo, what's good, T-Boy? T-Boy, I freaking put my magnet on too much. And I put my magnet on too hard, T-Boy. And what happened here is I didn't get the fair value gap that I wanted. But we are in, T-Boy, we are in 4-hour swing trade on Goldie. We're in a 4-hour swing. And it's playing out beautifully so far, right? Ty, I took this trade because Ty probably didn't see. We took this trade earlier on the 10 o'clock close. We had this 4-hour, right? We left behind this fair value gap. We immediately inverted the fair value gap on the H4. My entry was here. My stops are below this fair value gap. And we're in some decent profits right now. All right, I'm up like, I took this on my CFD accounts, but I'm looking for a potential long, right, to add into this position on the future side. So, yeah. So there's no entry right now. Guys, if you're kind of late on this 4-hour entry, right? You're kind of late on this. It's just, you could enter, you would just have a bigger stop, right? You just have a wider stop. So it's like, if you want to take this entry, remember, we're on a 4-hour chart. You're just not going to get as a precise entry, right? You could enter up here and have your stop down here, right? And we're still going for a big target. We're going for a big swing. So no, ideally it's not, it's not the best position because you're up here, but you could very well still enter into this trade. You have your stop here like this, boom. Or you could set a limit, right? Or just be patient. If we come back down here, right? Sometimes price wants to do something like this. Let me show you. Sometimes price will want to, hold on, here. Sometimes price will do something like this, right? It'll go like this. It'll come down. It'll test. You could set a limit here, right? And just be patient. Let it hit it. And then it'll fucking go up. You got to play the hand that you're dealt, right? So it's like this might not even come back. It could very well run higher, or it could fuck around here, come retest a few times, hang out, and then go. So you could very well set a limit, be patient, and wait for another potential entry. It's still very early days. Like, we just got into this trade today. I plan on holding this trade for, multiple days. So, you could be patient. You could take a riskier entry with a larger stop, or, like I said, be patient, wait, set a limit on the FVG, right? And then have your limit tagged, have your stop below, give it like a little bit of breathing room below the fair value gap in case it wants to wick into it, right? And then go for the runner. So, however you guys want to do it, right? If you're not patient enough to wait and set a limit and be like, yo, I want to get in right now because each and every one of you has FOMO. I know you do because we're all susceptible to it. If you can't wait and you want a bigger stop, I'm not telling you to do that. But if you want to, you can have a larger stop. And that's fine. It's just, you're not going to catch as big of a swing. Yeah, T-Boy, gold looks phenomenal right now. Gold looks beauty. Like, the 4-hour is so clean. Let's see the daily. Daily is just, running clear bullish price action. You know, we have this daily fair value gap down here, but I'm not really concerned with it because the 4-hour gave us our confirmation. This is where I have my data. This is where what my edge is built off of, right? I love the 4 hours. It's my best time frame to trade. This is one of my king setups, and I really, especially at midnight, if we get this freaking news, I really think it could be a nice catalyst for us to drive higher, that the government's going to shut down, right? You know, it may not bring a whole lot of volatility, but I think that it will bring some more bullish price action into gold. And I like the way this is setting up. It looks great. This is a relatively low risk trade, right? We risked 1% on this trade to catch an astronomical swing. This is a beautiful trade. This is what it's about, having a high risk to reward. Yo, T-Bull, you got to start trading gold. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, NQ is beautiful, right? During the macro. Obviously, T, I know you like trading the macro. You like trading the open. That, you know what? And so do I, right? We're very similar in the sense of that. Because I like to trade I like to see something happen at the open, and then I like to get a trade before the 950 macro. It is, in my opinion, the best macro to trade. And that's what yields me the best results. But yo, Ty, I'm telling you, you could get some insane trades in Asia on gold and catch the full daily candle, right? So you catch a full expansion of the new daily candle, right? So as we all know, right? A new daily candle opens at what time, right? Right here. Hold on, I'll get it up on my chart. Boom, we'll get the session breaks there. Now you go, right here. Boom. 18, right? 6 o'clock. New daily candle. So what we essentially look for, Ty, because I never told you my model on how I trade gold, but let me show you like some of the plays that I would take, right? This is like I'll show you like one of my A+ models here. Right? So essentially, Ty, I'm looking to catch the wick. I'm looking to catch the wick of the daily candle, right? So the manipulation at its highest point, and then I catch the expansion for the daily, right? So what happens here is that the new daily candle opens at what, 6 p.m. So what do I see? I come to the chart storing London, right? I get a sweep of an internal 15-minute, I mean Asia. What did I say? London? I meant Asia. Come to the chart storing Asia. I get a sweep of an internal 15-minute high. This high right here. Look, I have everything marked out. Look, step 1, big volume candle closing, leaving a top wick. That's it. You're inside of Asia. Step 2, we sweep the top wick and close bearish back inside the range of candle 1. Look, everything's written out for you guys, right? We sweep the high, close with a wick, back inside the range. Step 3, we leave behind a fair value gap after sweeping the high and close back inside the range. Boom. We invert the fair value gap. You can wait to get stopped out on a candle closure above the fair value gap, or you could eat a stop loss, right? One stop here, so you get stopped, which is fine. You get a re-entry. Once you get confirmed that the candle closed back below again, you set the limit. And where did this trade run to? You're catching the full daily candle. What happened? Oh, look at that. 1 to 25. Oh no. Oh, no. Oh, no. So, yeah. So, what... Ty, the difference between, like, me and most traders is that my edge is built around catching big-ass fucking trades, dude. That's what I do. Like, that's what I'm about. My trades are always huge. I have big risk to reward trades. I have big targets. I can hold my trades for longer. That's what I'm good at. I maintain patience and discipline, and I have the ability to hold my trades a lot longer. So, yeah, bro. Dude, Ahmad, I had 2 trades back to back. One was a 1 to 30 and one was a 1 to 25. Look, it was back to back days. I'll show you it. Ready? There's a short and there's a long. Dude, I get a lot of these setups. A lot. Here's the back-to-back days. Ready? Yo, imagine having 2 days like this in a row. Ready? Look at this. Look at these 2 days. Ready? I can turn this off. Hold on. Let me show you this shit. Hold on. We're inside of Asia, right? Sweep the low, close bullish inside the range. We invert, stops below the fair value gap. Oh, would you look at that? 1 to 12. 1 to 12 on Wednesday. Then you come in Thursday. What happens here? Oh, sweep a high, top wick, close back into the range. Amazing doji candle. If you guys know anything, I love dojis. We invert. Oh my God, would you look at that? 1 to 15. That's 27 fucking R in 2 days, bro. Dang, most traders trade the lower time frames, and most traders fail. Yo, that's facts, bro. That's facts, T-Boy. Dude, it's insane. Like, this is 27 R in 2 fucking trading days, bro. All you gotta do is wait. And this is what I tweet. This is why I post so much on X about it, is because you gotta be able to just sit here and do nothing until you get setups like this, because it'll pay off. This will pay off all the shit, all the shitty trades that you're fucking taking, right? You don't need to fucking trade every day, man. You don't. Just sit here and wait patiently for your entries. If you don't get it, you don't trade. Wouldn't you rather preserve your capital? That's a win. Stop thinking that if you don't take a trade today, you're some sort of bad trader or a loser. The fact that you did not lose money or you went break even, you're green, bro. You're green every single day, right? Let me tell you guys something very important. Every single day, when people get into these markets, they lose fucking money. 90 to 95% of them, right? You see the glamorized picture on X of people that are getting payouts, right? Or people that are making profits. They're not showing you the nuked accounts that that's happening. They're not. They're really not. Most of them are hiding it from you, okay? They are. This is all a facade. This is all bullshit. It's all fairyland. It's fucking fairy dust, okay? Don't look. You need to be able to look at social media and understand that only a fraction of it is fucking true. A fraction. There are a very few amount of traders who are giving you the real shit every single day, right? A small amount. So you have to know that, yo, I'm telling you right now, if you're watching a streamer and they're taking 20 fucking trades, and I've said this many times, if they're taking 20 fucking trades in a session, there is no way on God's green earth that there's 20 A+ setups for you to take. I don't give a shit. I don't give. You can never convince me anything otherwise. You can't. If you're taking 10, 20 trades in one, and you're on stream, right? There are some streamers, right? They'll get on stream for the open. They'll stream all the way till 4 o'clock, and they'll take fucking 20 trades, dude. 20 more, sometimes more. There is no fucking way that there are that many good setups. I don't care what is going on in the market. I do not care. There is absolutely no way. There's no, it's fucking cap, dude. It's cap. It's all bullshit. Do you know what I mean? You got to understand this, bro. Like, I want you to know that just be cautious about what you see on social media, right? Take it with a grain of salt. I give you, and listen, I give you my word. I am 100% fully transparent with you guys all the time. I don't give a, if I nuked all my accounts tomorrow, I would tell you. You know why? Because I feel, and if you guys want to hate on me and shit on me, go ahead. I deserve it, right? If I nuke my accounts, I would tell you guys because I'm open. I will tell you anything, right? The hardest thing I ever had to do, right, was go on social media and tell everyone that I lost my Apex accounts when I had them at 500K profits. You know? I had $500,000 in profits on my Apex accounts, and I lost them in 2 days because I got tilted after my accounts got hacked. And the hardest thing in my entire life that I had to do was go on social media and fucking own that. And you know what? Once I did it once and I owned it, I felt good about myself because I'm not hiding anything from anyone. If people are going to support me, they're going to support me no matter what. I still did 6 figures on that shit on my first PA accounts ever. I was damn proud of that. I wanted the milli on my first go. You know, and unfortunately, I just couldn't. I had 2 bad days, and it got to my head, man. And like I said, I'm a human being. I make mistakes. I'm not perfect, and I live and learn. It was a big learning experience for me. You know, I got a little cocky. I got a little overconfident. You know, I was winning a lot. I was at over 500K in profits in 25 trading days, right? 25 trading days. I had over $500,000 in those accounts. So, you know, my ego was a little boosted, and you know what? I took that onto the charts with me, man. And you know what? It took one bad fucking day. That was it. It took one bad day. And I just want you guys to know, You will always get full transparency from me. I will never hide anything from you. I will never tell you anything that's a lie. I will be 100% truthful. I try, you know why? Because that just doesn't, it's not what aligns with me. I wouldn't be able to sleep at night if I was lying to people, you know? My parents raised me better than that. I have strong faith in God, and I just wouldn't act like that. I wouldn't carry myself like that. It doesn't matter about any monetary value that somebody could tell me. It's like, I would never do that to other people. I promise you. You have my fucking word. So I know that, and you know what? It's tough. It's because there's just so many bad apples in this fucking industry that it ruins it for people like me, people like Tyler, people like Marco. You know, there's so many people doing the wrong thing, and where I'm at now is that I want to change that, right? I want to give positive traders in the industry, like, you know, and people that are doing the right thing, a good platform, right? So me, Marco, ChartFanatics. If you're not watching Ty, watch Ty. You know, he trades the open as well. You know, people with morals and things, they're doing the right shit and they're looking after others, and you know, it's more than trading. So you guys will. I lost. So what happened is I had 20 accounts, right? I had 20 accounts, and the accounts were up big, man, and I took one trade, right? And I lost, and I was pissed off, right? I was pissed off at the world because that kid hacked into, he didn't only hack into one account, right? He got into my E8 accounts, right? So E8 is a different firm. I was trading CFDs with them at the time, and my account at E8 had over $60,000 of profits in it. $60,000, right? In the CFD space. And he tried to withdraw that shit. He created a fake image of me. Who is Ty? Yo, Tyler Trades was in here. Tyler Trades, the homie. He's the real deal. He's a great streamer. Great trader as well. He's a friend of mine. Me and Ty plan on meeting up and doing a little golf trip together. That's the plan. But anyway, what was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Fuck. I was saying that. Oh yeah. The kid tried to go into my E8 accounts. He created a fake AI image of me. He bypassed my password reset, right? Somehow got through it. And he tried to request a payout. Wrote this devious thing saying, "Oh, can I withdraw my money now? Because I'm having family issues, this, that." He tried to steal my money. That was my money. He tried to take it, and then he went to support. And wrote this letter stating, "Oh, I'm having family issues. Do you mind if I withdraw the profits prior to getting to the consistency rule?" This is what this sick bastard did, right? And then he went into my Apex accounts, right? He went into my Apex accounts, and luckily, you know, they caught it, so they locked my Apex accounts right away. This is how I got to be into a partnership with Apex, is that the fraud department at Apex was so incredibly good, and the customer service was so amazing. They caught it. He tried to withdraw, like, I think it was like over $100,000, right? They caught it. They locked my accounts out. I had the woman Marion from the fraud department call me. She called me on the weekend. We had like a conversation for an hour. She got my accounts back and running, right? She did an amazing job. And she was like so incredibly nice to me. Marion, she actually put in a call on my behalf, and then I started working with Apex because I wasn't affiliated with anyone at the time, and I was like, you know what, my experience was so good, and my payout process was so good, and you know, they protected that account, man. That account had a lot of money in it, and I was attached to it. I was really attached to it. I worked hard on that shit, and they saved that account. They did. They put in a lot of hard work to get that account back to me. They were in constant communication with me. It was, honestly, I'm not just saying this because I work with them. That was some of the best customer support I've ever had. So it was like a no-brainer to me to go and work with them after that. And yeah, it was, and they saved the accounts. So I got the accounts back, right? And I was still just, my head, man, I was messed up about it. Like, he went on Twitter and he put my parents' address on Twitter. He put my parents' address on Twitter, and he was like harassing me, right? He was harassing me, and he was saying crazy stuff like, "Oh, are we meeting up for coffee at, and he put my mom's house. He doxed me. He put my parents' house on Twitter. I was like, yo, dude, I was seeing red. And you know what? I didn't want to give this kid the satisfaction at the time, right? I didn't even want to respond to him because that's what he wanted from me, right? And he was relentless, man. He wouldn't stop. It was like every day. And I went into the charts, man, and I carried that shit with me. I was so mad. I took one loss, and then I oversized, and I just couldn't walk away. I was so mad at this fucking kid, and I was mad at what was going on, and I took it out on the charts, dude. I took it out on the charts, and I just started rinsing those accounts bad. Like, I lost like $2,000, and then I would size up, and I lost more, and I had such a big buffer in those accounts, bro. And I you know what? I let one day go. I was like, you know what? I'll come back the next day. Next day I came back. You know what? I was still pissed off. It took me like 2 weeks to get over this shit, man. It took me 2 weeks, and I crushed those accounts, dude. I freaking crushed them, and I was so disgusted in myself, guys. Like, you got to understand that I am my biggest worst enemy, right? I'm my hardest critic in the world. And when I did that and I lost those accounts, I couldn't even look at myself in the mirror. I was disgusted. I was disgusted in myself that I let somebody get the best of me, and they got me over mentally like they did. Listen, nobody can destroy you mentally if you don't let them. This is where I'm at mentally, right? So I have haters, right? I have haters all the time. But it's like, they can't hate on me if I don't give them any satisfaction. I don't even respond to them. It's like, if I don't talk to you, right? How are you going to get, you want a reaction out of me. You are taking time out of your day, right? And you're like, let me go say something stupid to Tyler. It's like, probably not profitable, right? It's like, if I don't react to you, you lose. If you don't get a reaction out of me, what happens? You just posted something stupid, and what'd you get out of that? I know what you're trying to do. You want to rise out of me. You're not going to get it anymore. And it was a learning lesson for me because I'm much more patient now. I don't let things upset me as much. I shake things off, and it made me a better trader. And I'm extremely blessed and thankful to just, be able to have my accounts back with Apex now. And I'm going for that million, guys. That's my next goal. My biggest goal, right? I've had some pretty big goals, but this is my biggest goal, is to do the million with Apex. Like that, I want to be part of that crew, to be like, yo, I did 7 figures with Apex. That's like one of my lifelong dreams. And I have a picture of myself with my name on the leaderboard that says $1.5 million payout, right? I wrote it and I put it in my mind, and I already told myself, I'm gonna do this. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. This is gonna happen. I'm gonna do the 7-figure payout with Apex. It's my dream, and it's one of the biggest accomplishments that I could do. Like, as a trader, that's what I want. I already have one of the biggest payouts at a prop firm, and that was a huge goal of mine, and I did that. I always said, yo, I want to have one of the biggest payouts in a prop firm, and I have that. I have that with one prop firm, but now I want the 7 figures with Apex. That's my goal. But yeah. All right, so the government's shutting down tonight. But yeah, I'm sorry I went off on a tangent, but this all was about me just letting you guys know that I will be fully transparent in all of my trading. If I blow an account, if I'm in drawdown, if I make a mistake, you know what, guys? I'm a human. I'm not perfect, but I came a damn long way. I really did. My mindset is sharp, right? There's not many people that can have this is everything in trading. Having a strong mindset, being able to have mental fortitude, to be able to walk away, it's so crucial, and it's huge. So to be able to have that and to finally be fully disciplined and not be emotionally attached to the charts, I'm damn proud of what I've done so far in the space, and this is just the beginning. I want to be one of the, not only I want to be one of the best traders in the space, but also a great educator. Someone who looks out for others, and just to be when people say TG or Tyler or TG Capital, whatever you call me, I want people to be like, yo, I respect him, because not only is he a great trader, but he looks after others. He takes care of the people around him. He respects the other traders, the struggling traders. He's always looking out for us. He's always trying to do the right thing. That's what I want to leave behind, right? It's more than money. It's like, you can make money, right? But it's like, it's only good for so long, man. to be able to be like, yo, Tyler changed the industry because he helped so many people. That is a real, that to me is as a person that should be respected, right? A person that can come here with no ulterior motives, right? Wants to help others, guide people. We have this Discord that's almost at 5,000 people, man. This Discord's almost at 5,000 people, and we're changing lives. And I plan on helping every single one of you. Everyone that's struggling right now, I will get you there, man. I'm going to get you there. You know why? Because I want you to change your family's life. I want you to change your life. I want you to be able to, you know, one day you quit that job that you hate so much that you got to wake up and do, right? Just like I did. I know there's people out there that are in the same situation, right? I know exactly. I know that each and every one of you out there is probably going through some shit, whether it's financial trouble, family trouble, you know, even if you just want to add some more income to your already stable job, or if you're in that 9 to 5 that you hate, you're like, yo, I want to get out of this, right? There's a way out. This is it. But you got to put your head down and work. You got to do it, right? You heard me last time. Nobody's going to help you with this shit. You got to do it yourself. So whatever you put into this is where you're going to get out. So the guy, and this is what I don't agree with, the guy who's putting 10 hours in on the weekends backtesting, right? You're telling me that the kid who's out partying, right, at Palm Tree Club in Miami, and the kid backtesting on a Saturday night, who's going to have the bigger edge in the market? You're damn right, the kid that's backtesting 10 hours, you know? And you know what? Sometimes you got to make sacrifices in life for things that you really want, you know? You sacrifice friend time. You sacrifice, you know, some family time. You sacrifice the drinking with the friends, going out. You gotta want this shit more than you want anything else. You gotta want it bad. And it's like anything in life, dude. Professional athletes, you know, why do you, the top 1% athletes, you know, their whole life is devoted to this shit. It's the same thing. Being a professional trader is a fucking craft. This is an art. This is an art form. Trading is an art, right? Everyone has a different strategy. Everyone has a different edge in the market. This is a beautiful, beautiful industry, because think about it like this, right? I could trade something on gold, right? And I could have my model, and it could be totally different to somebody else, and they could benefit on their own, using their own edge. The market is so beautiful in the sense that it's curated to every single individual. How you see this market depends on who you are. It's a direct reflection of you. What's going on these charts and what you're seeing is a direct reflection of what's going on in your mind, right? So if you so badly want to get into a trade, right? And you're like, yo, I want to get into a trade so bad. Your mind is gonna trick you into thinking that you're seeing a setup, right? That's why I tell people, don't stay on the charts for so long, because you're gonna be eager to take a trade, and you're gonna eventually, you're gonna deviate, and you're gonna come up with a fucking reason to get into a trade, right? You're gonna make a mistake. You're gonna be like, oh, this seems like a good setup. You know why? Because now you're taking up more mental capital. Now you're getting fatigued. You're not as sharp between the ears. And all these little things are things that you could fix. You could fix this in backtesting, because you're getting all your emotions out in the backtesting, not in the live market. All that emotional shit that you're dealing with, like FOMO and like getting stopped out, when you backtest, you're gonna get through all of that. It's gonna be gone. You're gonna feel it there. You're gonna feel it right then, and then you're gonna come to the market and you're gonna have those scars. You're gonna have the calluses. It's like building a muscle. You're gonna break down, and then you're gonna rebuild, and you're gonna be stronger. It's the same thing with backtesting, right? You're gonna backtest. You're gonna break yourself down. You're gonna break your walls down. You're gonna be emotionally like vulnerable at the time when you're backtesting, right? Then you're gonna build yourself up. You're gonna be stronger. You're gonna be ready to attack the markets, and then you come into the live market, and guess what? You don't feel nothing. You're a robot. You're a computer. You're emotionless. That's what you got to do. So these are all little things that I'm going to help you with, and I want you guys to make a list of things that you need help with. And like I said, we'll do either maybe I'll do a Sunday stream, and we'll go over one play, right? We'll go over one play, and we will discuss it from A to Z, and I will give you guys, look, I literally wrote step by step, because like I said, I have my friend is making the indicator, so I'm gonna have a free indicator that comes out, right? A free indicator that helps you navigate what's going on here, right? So when it does the CRT, it'll print the fair value gap for you, and it'll show the inversion. He's working on this indicator right now. It's in the final phases. He was in the Discord. But look, this is what we'll do on the weekend, right? This is the shit you need to do. And then you're going to screenshot it, right? You're going to screenshot it and you're going to print it out and you're going to put it on your fucking wall and you're going to stare at it, right? And you're going to have it right in front of you. You're going to have it right here on your wall. Wherever the hell you trade, it's going to be right on your wall. And every time you see it, you aren't going to take a fucking setup other than this one right here. You're not. And if you do, I'm going to come to you and I'm going to find you and it's going to be bad. I'm going to give you a wedgie. So look, this is a step by step. Step 1, this. Step 2, this. Step 3, this. Very simple, mechanical. You come in, you do A, you do B. That's it. If you don't get this, you don't trade. I don't care. If you break it, don't come crying to me because I won't feel bad to you. Oh, but Tyler did this. Oh, but Tyler, is this still valid? It's not fucking valid. Oh, but Tyler did this. No, oh, but Tyler. No, oh, but Tyler. No, oh, but Tyler, is it still valid if you... I just told you, it's only valid if these 3 things happen. If it doesn't fucking happen, don't say, oh, but Tyler. I don't want to hear it, okay? Does everyone understand? That's what I mean, all right? No, but Tyler this. No. You have these 3 rules. If these 3 rules aren't there, the trade isn't valid. You don't take it. It's the 3 rules are there for a fucking reason, right? 3 rules. Because it's going to avoid a loss. So you don't come to me, oh, wait, but Tyler, you don't understand. This could still be valid. No, it can't, Billy. It fucking can't, and it's not valid. Because I said so, because I wrote the rules. Okay, buddy? Okay, Billy? Okay, Tommy? It's not valid because I wrote the rules, and you stick to the rules that I wrote, or else you'll start losing trades, and then you'll come crying to me, like, oh, Tyler, I took the setup, but you didn't follow the rules, right? Like, some of you guys come into the Discord, you're like, oh, I took this setup, is it valid? No, it's not valid because you didn't follow the rules. No, it doesn't work. It's not gonna work. That's it. I'm gonna help each and every one of you succeed. How do you put your TP once you entered into the trade? Jorge, I tell everybody this. You manage the trades as you deem fit. I won't tell you how to manage the trades. When you back test and you see the plays, you manage the trade. So, one thing that is you are going to need to be... Okay, do you remember when we were in the chat, right? Tommy here. There's actually a Tommy here. What's good, Tommy? Yeah, run the likes up, guys. Today was a 4-hour swing. Yes. Today was a 4-hour swing. Why? Why did I still take this setup? Because I told you I have data on this play still, right? If I didn't have data on this, right, I wouldn't take it. Like, although we didn't sweep the low, typically I want us to see us sweep a low. But I wouldn't take this blindly. Like, I have data on this play hitting regardless of it not sweeping the low. So I still took it. But I reduced size. But this is only for this 4-hour setup that I would even consider a B setup, that I would even consider it, because you're on an extremely high time frame. You're on a high time frame. So the confluence is there. It's okay. Yeah, listen, guys. If you don't trade the same strategy as me, that's totally fine, right? I'm not going to be everyone's cup of tea, right? I trade the higher time frames. I have one lower time frame model that I use, but I mostly focus on the higher time frames, and that may not align with everyone. But that's not to say that you still can't learn something from me, right? If I tell you, oh, Ty trades inversions, you know, maybe I can implement this. Oh, Ty told me to focus on a kill zone. Oh, Ty helped me with my psychology. Oh, Ty helped me with my risk management. I don't want to be a stream where people just come to signal bot. That's not why we're here. And I'm not going to do that, right? I will help you guys and like give some analysis, but this ain't a signal botting chat, right? I'm here to teach you guys a skill that you'll have for the rest of your life. If you're interested in that and you're interested in learning, you came to the right channel. If you came to me to get signals, I'm telling you right now, just you're better off just not even being here, because I want people who want to learn. I don't want people who want the easy route. You want this shit? You want a skill for the rest of your life that could set you up for financial freedom? You came to the right place, right? You're in the best place possible. I'm telling you right now. Between me and Marco and everything we got going on in ChartFanatics, you're at the right spot. But if you're coming here every single night, or when I'm streaming tomorrow, what's tomorrow, Wednesday? Tomorrow I'm streaming AM. If you're coming to AM tomorrow looking to signal bot me, I promise you right now, it's going to piss me off, because I want people who want to learn. I want people who are hungry for the shit. Real traders, right? Somebody that's like, yo, I want to learn. I want the guy who's going to come here on Sunday when the charts aren't open and I'm teaching the model, and they're like, yo, I want to set myself up to be, get some big payouts, get max funding, get max allocated, set my family up for life, set myself up for life. Those are the traders I respect. I don't respect nobody who's going into freaking jump into different streams and signal body. Oh, sir, but sir, my stop loss. Oh, sir, what's your exact stop loss? Sir, what's your exact TP? Okay, sir, how many contracts? Okay, sir, can you please let me know? Wait, but sir, is it inversion? Or sir, FEG? No, sir, please, you're not understanding, sir, please answer my question. I know I asked it 15 times already, sir, but please, sir, I know I asked the same question 35 times in a row, but sir, oh no, sir, did you take the trade? Are you taking the trade? Are you stopped out yet, sir? What's going on here, sir? Shut up. Stop calling me sir, and I'm not here for signals. Okay, sir? That's it. That's it. We keep it real here. All right, so the plan is we're going to do the giveaways in about 10 minutes. Guys, giveaway in 10 minutes. We have some healthy giveaways tonight. We are going to be doing the ducky races tonight, right? We're not going to get a trade. Unfortunately, we are not going to get a trade tonight. I could already tell. Our best chance for a trade was here. Our best chance for a trade was here, but then I went and I did the ritual, and we rallied too hard, guys. So, yo, let's get the let's get the likes up. Just run. All you guys got to do is hit the like button for your boy. I'm not asking for much. Here. Just a like, please. It helps me out, keeps me motivated. Lets me know that you guys care and you guys like these streams. I'm gonna do the streams regardless, because even if I could just change one person's life, it's worth it to me. But these streams are growing. The nighttime streams are growing. I could see here that my viewer count is getting larger each and every stream, and I want to be like someplace where people come to at night, and they could really learn something and take something away from these streams. Just drop a like for your boy. I'm not asking for much. That's it. I just want a like. It takes 2 seconds just to hit the thumbs up button. I love that, Tutor. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you, Tutor. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna help each and every one of you guys in here if you're struggling. I got you. It's not, and you know what? Because there's so many bad apples in the space, you need a good one. And you know what? One good one can make all the difference. There are definitely some solid traders in the space who are doing the right thing, but there are a ton of bad apples out there, man. And unfortunately, they get the best of people. And it's sad to see that the shit that people do for money, because no amount of money in the world could make me manipulate people like that. I could never do it, and it won't ever be me. So I just want you to know that. And I mean that when I tell you that. And like I said, my trading accounts, you'll have full transparency on what's going on always. If I blow an account, I'll be like, yo, I made a mistake. I blow an account. But my risk is really, really good now. And I'm risking very little on these trades, because my win rate, I'm going for a higher risk to reward, so I could risk really little. So it's kind of nice now that I have these models. The only higher risk model that I have is the 930 model, but I'm risking like $500 a trade on that, and it's plenty. So my risk is very small. I like the mindset I'm in, the groove that I'm in right now. I'm about to put some big payouts in with a few firms. I'm working on my Apex accounts. I'm building my PA accounts. I have some payouts coming that I'm about to put in with some other firms, and I'll share everything in the Discord. Everything will be fully transparent. You won't ever, You won't ever be like, yo, I need to question TG. That'll never be a thing. You'll be like, yo, TG always is honest and transparent, and that's what you get from me, and that's what you get from Marco, because Marco is a good friend of mine, and Marco's the same way, right? And yeah, man, I love and appreciate you guys way too much to go and manipulate you and try and sway you to believe things that aren't true. So just know that. Oh, what'd you say, Pamela? Let me look at the trade. Hey, Tyler, the 3 examples you share, were they all backed with economic data, or was it just based on TA? Well, Pamela, the 3 setups I showed are during 8 o'clock, so there's no economic data coming out at 8 p.m. There, you know what I mean? So it's just based off price action and time. Appreciate you, Tran. Appreciate you. Thank you, John Doe. Discord hit 4,500 plus? Wow. Yeah, we're going to have a nice education stream. Bro, does your strategy work on NQ? I haven't Gurpreet, I haven't backtested it. You could backtest. Are you talking about this 15-minute model, Gurpreet? You have to be specific on which model you're talking about. So if you're talking about the 15-minute model, I haven't tested it on NQ. You can go and test it. It's just I noticed that the price action is cleaner on gold in Asia, and there's more volume. So that's why. Yeah, guys, go join the Discord. Totally free. We're giving out some sauce in there, and we have an amazing community, great group of people, and we're here to grow and be the best. We're gonna have the best Discord in the entire space. I'm telling you right now. People are gonna talk about this Discord and be like, "Yo, the fact that we have this many solid traders in here who are looking out for one another and dropping real gems in the chat, I'm telling you, big things are coming. We are just getting started." Yeah, Gurpreet, you would have to backtest it. Bella, why you sad, Mama Bella? Mama Bella, why you sad? Mama Bella, don't be giving me tear eyes, Mama Bella. Why you sad? Hold on, Bella, don't you be giving me teary eyes. I'll come there and give you a hug right now. Why you giving me a teary eye, Bella? Hold on, I'm waiting for Bella's response. Why are you giving me teary eye? Is that a teary eye meaning like it's happy tears, or is it a teary eye because you're upset? I need to know, Bella. I will come and find you and give you a hug. I will fly there and I will come and find you and hug you. I'll get on a red eye right now and I will come and hug you. So you tell me why. If it's a happy tears, then that's good. But if it's sad tears, I need to know. Look at Goldie go. What'd you say, Tony 4X? What did you say? Brosco, I'm great, brother. How are you? All right, yo. Are you guys ready for the giveaways? Because we have a few. We have quite a few tonight. Let me text Ant. Hold on. Let me text Ant here. Let me text Ant. All right, guys. Tonight, for the giveaways, we have... Okay, tonight, for the giveaways, we have 3 Apex, 2 Alpha, and 1 count 'em, 6 months subscription. TradeZella. So, we have 3 Apex Trader funding accounts, 2 Alpha accounts, and 1 count 'em, 6 months subscription to TradeZella. All right. Here we go. Let me text Ant real quick. All right. Everyone in the chat, what we're going to do, you're going to do this one time. You aren't going to be degenerates. We are going to do exclamation point, join. Right now, you do it one time. If you do it more than once, the bot will delete you. Exclamation point, join. The first 100 winners will be part of the ducky race. Go right now. Exclamation point, join. Do it one time. Do it one time. Exclamation point, join. Exclamation point, join. 6, count them, 6 months. Trade seller. There you go. There you go. I'm super excited for the ducky races tonight. I need some water. Hold on, I'm parched. Of course, man. Oh, you did it. You see, if you do exclamation point join too many times, you get eliminated. Only once. You're a bad boy. DB goes, you're a bad boy. Oh, God. All right, we're waiting for Ant. And we'll be ready to rock. We will be ready to rock. Oh, it's only 9:30. All right, let's chill for another 5 minutes. We still got time, yeah? Oh, no, Matwa. We take things very, very serious at the DRFF. There are no performance-enhancing substances allowed. You will be permanently banned for life. You will be permanently banned for life. There are no performance-enhancing substances here at the DRFF. We take it extremely, extremely serious. Okay? Please, you will be banned forever. You don't want that. You want the opportunity to go and join any duck race in the country that you want. So please, we maintain strict integrity here. You little strawberry heads. And, oh, guys, if you're not familiar, if you are a little strawberry head and you win, I will double the Apex account that you get. So if you're a little strawberry head and you win tonight and you win one, I'll double it. And 2, count them, 2 Apex accounts. 2. You little strawberry head. I'll double it. We are the greatest community, without a doubt. Not even close. Look at this. What's going on? What's going on in the Discord right now? Look at Miss Lorena, this little strawberry head. Little strawberry head. Are you seeing her? Miss Lorena, you little strawberry head. Look at her. Look at her. Little freaking strawberry head. She look at this strawberry hat on. Are you kidding? She got a little strawberry hat on. Oh my goodness, Miss Lorena. It's gorgeous. You little strawberry head. Yo, that's hysterical. Alright. Yo, that's funny. You little strawberry head, you. Drop the strawberries in the chat, you little strawberry heads. Dang, look at Silver. Silver's running. Is Silver running? Is Silver on a generational run? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Silver. Silver? I hardly know her. Oh, Silver? I hardly know her. Yo, Silver's cooking. Wow. I'm thinking Goldie is next. I'm thinking Goldie's next, boy. That pop coming. Get up there, Goldie. Granny, get up there. Granny. Wait, hold on here, guys. Wait just one dang second. Hold on. Guys, hold on here. Guys, wait 1 second. Okay, good. All right. If this closes bearish, right? Hold on. Wait 1 second. If this closes bearish, this could be a short. This could be a short, bro. Could just be like it could be like a 15-minute. It could be like a little 15-minute small. Wow. Wait, hold on. Wait just 1 second, Granny. Granny, don't. Granny, don't. We invert this, yo. Hold on here. Granny. Wait. Wait, guys. Give me a sec. We may not be able to do the ducky race just yet. We gotta see this. Wait, hold on. 1 second. Wow. Granny, don't. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, wait, we have to see how this plays out. 8. Wow. This is crazy. I don't want to see this candle close bearish. Guys, let's wait 5 more minutes. Let's wait. I just want to wait. We'll do it at 9:40. I just want to see how this candle closes. Granny, I'm for real. Okay, good. Okay, get back up there. Okay, good. I don't want to see us close bearish. You get up there, Granny. Hold on. You get up there, Granny. I'm not looking for shorts. You get up there, Granny. Granny, you know what we'll do? Here we go. Get up there. Get up there, I said. Get up there. I don't want to see you close bearish. Good. You stay there. You go up there. Goldie, Goldie. Goldie, Goldie. Please generate a large expansion candle off this FVG. Goldie, Goldie. Goldie, Goldie. Please generate large profits off this FVG. Goldie, Goldie. On the 4-hour time frame E. Please let us make a plethora of profits on our swing trade E. Goldie, Goldie. Goldie, Goldie. Thank you. And thank you. I'm in a swing trade with my community on the asset of Goldie. If I set and forget my trade, then I'll walk away and I will get paid. Money comes and money goes, but the money with gold always flows. I am a trader and I am disciplined. I am here to make a win. Thank you. Thank you, each and every one of you, for tuning in tonight for another amazing stream. This is gonna be the part of the video where this is gonna be part of the video where we do a ritual for gold with our candle. And then wait, one last thing. Wait, one last thing. We have to sage the room real quick. Goldie, 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 Goldie. Okay, the ritual is now complete. The ritual. Now I saged the room as well, and we should be. Oh, we should be good. Bro, what's my manifest trick? It's basically the candle, right? It has to be pumpkin scented. Something about it being pumpkin scented. All right, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Are we ready for duckies? Oh, there's Ant. There he is. Oh, no. Wait, hold on. We need to do duck race giveaway. Boom. Okay. Are we ready? Oh. You look at that. Goldie. It's every time I do it, it goes the other way. It's a reverse ritual. Guys, it's a reverse ritual. Don't play like that. All right. Are we ready? Are we ready? Ant, did you send me the names, Ant? Oh, yes, he did. 939. Yep, Ant just sent me the names. We got them right here. Boom. Boom shakalaka. If you remember, guys, if your name is here, it means you made it tonight. If your name is not here, it means, ready, watch. Look, if your name is here, it means you made the cut tonight. If your name is not here, it means you're a loser and you were not fast enough and you did not make the cut tonight. Okay? There's always tomorrow. I'm streaming tomorrow during the day. Okay? Now, this is who made it tonight. Congratulations if you made it. This is half the battle. Making it to the cut is, is half the battle. Here we go. Oh, DBT. There's my boy. Who else is in here? This is who made the cut tonight. If you see your name, it means you made the cut. Shrimp Sauce. That's a name right there. Fabio. Tudor. A lot of new names in this chat tonight. A lot of new names. I like it. A lot of new names. All right. That's the full list. If you see your name, it means you made it. If you don't see your name, don't say, oh, but Tyler, I entered. Did you hear what I said? I said you didn't make the cut tonight. You weren't fast enough. Shrimp Sauce. Dude, I really hope Shrimp Sauce, are you in here? I hope Shrimp Sauce, I literally hope, Shrimp Sauce wins tonight. That name is amazing. It's phenomenal. Oh, whoa. Ant messed up. We're missing 11 names. Hold on, look. We're missing 11 names. Ant messed up. I gotta text him. Hold on. Ant, we at 89. 11 more. Guys, wait. We messed up. Hold on. Oh, yeah. I'm up $1,000 on Goldie. $1,000 on the swing trade. Sending updated list. Okay, there's 11 more. I'm cooking on gold right now, bro. Yo, how's everyone's swing trades looking? Let me see how this candle closed. Look at the ritual. Look at the ritual. Granny, get up there. Please, Granny. Keep going. The swing trade's cooking. We're cooking on the swing, bro. Yo, this swing is ripping. Let's go. This is beauty. Dang, yo, I'm up 5 racks on this account. Wait, hold on. I'm just checking on my account. Dude. Whoa. Let's get it. Ooh, I'm up 6,000 on this account. Whoa. Dude, 6 bands. Holy cow. Okay. What? Great trade. Great trade so far. This is looking great. All right, let's get to the race. Amazing. Amazing stuff. $6,000 on one account already. Phenomenal. Let's go, Goldie. Keep going. Get up there. All right, updated list. This is who made it. One last time. This is who made it. These nuts? Wait, shrimp sauce better be in here. If shrimp sauce isn't in here, I'm going to be upset. Where's my boy shrimp sauce? This is who made the list tonight. Yo, Shrimpy. There's my boy. There's my... Yo, he's even got the little emoji. That's Shrimpy sauce. Little shrimp head. Miss Lorraine is in here. Tudor. All right, if your name is here, you made the cut. If your name is here, you made the cut. All right, that's it. This is it. Right here. If you saw your name, you made it. If you didn't, we'll try tomorrow. Here we go. On your mark. First race, Apex Trader Funding Account. Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go. We got Tudor up in the front. Tudor up in the front, maintaining good speed. But here comes Big D Mac. Big D Mac on the right-hand side. Here comes Red Adulam. But here comes Tyson Prosper. Tyson Prosper running up the middle. Tyson Prosper looking good. But here comes Sazdabano. Big D Mac maintaining a strong lead, still in first place. But Tudor, Tudor, the little fairy mermaid in first place. But here comes the T-Rex, Veronica Pombolo. Oh, but Stevie M, and Tushar. Where did that come from, you naughty little duck? Surf Slat Trader maintaining a strong short lead. But here comes Anna. Grandma. Anna with the win. You little Anna banana. Anna the banana. Anna. Are you here, you little Anna banana? Wait, and why are you pink? What happened? What, Anna? How did you get pink? What are you doing? Wait, why is your duck pink? You tell me right now. I want to know. How did you get pink like that? Are you maintaining integrity here? Anna, are you here? Anna, are you here? Anna Banana. Anna Banana, are you here? I'm not seeing Anna. You gotta be here to win it. Is she there? There you go, Anna. Anna Banana. Congratulations. And please maintain integrity here at the DRFF. We take it extremely serious. I am the CEO. I am the founder. I am the president. I am the co-founder. I'm everything. I'm all in one. And we maintain strict integrity here. And you know what? You will be tested for performance-enhancing substances of any kind. Okay? So I'm going to take your word for it here, Anna. All right? But please, maintain integrity. I take this very serious. This is a serious sport here. We don't joke around at the DRFF. Okay, next race. All right, guys, every time we're going to do a shuffle. We got to do a shuffle. We got a little strawberry head. Oh, you see him? You see it? Look up. Look. You little strawberry head. I see you in the back there, you little strawberry head. Right there. Look at him. Be very careful of the strawberry head. Be very scared and very careful of the strawberry head. Here we go for another Apex account. Starting right now. On your mark. Get set. Go. Here comes Garbin. Here comes Fabio Garbin. Oh, Frozen Flame Gaming! Little strawberry head! Frozen Flame Gaming in the first place! Little strawberry head! You little freaking strawberry head, Frozen Flame! But here comes finally Focus Trader. He's wearing the masky. Falling shortly, but there goes Strawberry Head falling in the back. Kyle Patterson looking good. Here comes Jorge Rodriguez. Here comes Shoahib. But here comes Preston. And then here comes DBTT. And David, the little clown. Here comes the last 5 seconds. Michael Upchurch. You little Upchurch. Oh! Michaela Upchurch. You little star. You are a shining star, Michaela. Michaela Upchurch, you little star. You little ducky star. You got stars all over you. You got little stars all over, tattooed all over you, little ducky. You little shining star, Michaela, you. Congratulations, you just won an Apex Trader funding account. Congratulations, Michaela. You freaking did it. You did it. Congratulations. Is Michaela here? Gold, huge spike. Yeah! Get up there, Goldie. Go. Go, Granny. Get up there. Go. You gotta want it. You gotta want it. Get up there, Granny. Get up there. Who's in the swing? Oh, my God. Yes. Hold on. How much am I? Oh, my God. I'm up. Dude. Yes. I'm up 8 grand. Holy cow. Let's go. You little strawberry heads. We're going to Mars. We're going to Mars. Look at it go. It's the magnet. Hold on, I gotta move my magnet up. Oh my God, it's ripping. You get up there, you little strawberry head. Oh my God, yes, Granny. Get up there. Hell yeah. Let's go. Yo, who's in on the swing, bro? Are you kidding? Sniper entry, bro. Wow. Dude. What a freaking trade, bro. What a trade. Wow. Just wow. Okay. Okay. Are we ready? Let's get back to the duckies. Next. This is going to be the last Apex Trader funding account. Last Apex Trader funding account, and then we're going to give away 2 alpha, and then the final grand finale. 6, count them, 6 months. Trade Zella. All right, let's run it. Shuffle. Ready, set, go. You little strawberry head. I see a little strawberry head. I see you. Here comes PM21, the Granny Cakes on the right-hand side. But here comes 4X. 4X looking good. 4X looking great. Here comes Fabio Garbin. Fabio Garbin, you little queen. You little Fabio Garbin queen. Garbin. Here comes Michelangelo. Oh, the artist, Michelangelo, you looking great. Here's 4X. 4X. Whoa! What? What's that? Live trading XAU gold. Gold missed the 1. It's because the gold is on Ripper. Oh my goodness, here's Fox, here comes Midas. But who's coming in the backfield? Who's coming up on the back end side? Tim Korth. Tim Korth looking good, looking strong. Tim Korth for the win. Tim Korth. Timmy. The little Timmy. Timmy boy. You little Tim. You little Tim Tam. Timmy boy. Timmy. You little Tim Tam. You little Timmy boy. Are you here, Tim? Timmy. Timmy Korth. Timmy, Tim, are you there, Timmy? Show me a sign of life, Tim Tam. Show me something here, and make sure that you are open to doing a full urine analysis, blood sample, and colorectal exam done by the one and only, the fearless leader, Rizzy Boy. He'll fly you out first class on a... Wait, what's that commercial? What's the commercial that goes, Jet 2 holiday? How does it go? The Jet 2 holiday thing? No, oh, yeah. And Riz, he'll fly you down, right? He told me. He said, to maintain a strict integrity here at the DRFF, he will fly you down and he'll sing, nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And then he'll do the full exam to make sure that you don't break the rules of the DRFF, so blood panel, urine analysis, and colorectal exam. And then he's gonna sing while you're on the plane. He's gonna be, nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. All right, Timmy, are you here? All right, good job, Timmy. Let's do the next one. We have 2 alpha accounts. My voice is getting... No. All right, we have 2 more. 2 alphas and then the mega. Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Here we go. We got Binku in the front. Binku and Coffee. Binku and Coffee neck and neck. But here comes Jose Hernandez. Jose Hernandez, the Brit. The British are coming. The British are coming. The British are coming. But who comes? Oh, here's Stevie M. Stevie M looking good. Here comes Frozen Flame Gaming, maintaining speed. But J Trades TV running away with it. Stevie M shortly behind. And the diligent. Who's in the back here? I see somebody in the back here. We got Shahtaj Ali. Shahtaj Ali. Valorezzo Capital, you little strawberry head, but Chipper Up takes it. Oh, the little strawberry, you little strawberry head, you were right there, you little Chipper Up. Chipper Up, are you feeling Chipper? You little, Chipper Up, I bet you're feeling real Chipper about that win right now. You little Chipper head, you Chipper Up, you're feeling real Chipper about that win that you just got, aren't you, you little Chipper? Chippy, are you there, Chip? You little Chippy boy. Chipper, are you there, you little chippy boy? Where are you, bud? Are you here? Are you feeling real chipper today about that win, Chip? Chippy? Skippy Chip? Cousin of Skippy? Chippy Up is the cousin of Skippy. Chipper is my name, don't wear it out. Chippy's here. Yo, Chipper's here. Congratulations, Chippy boy. You are a winner of an alpha account. All right. Now, oh, sweet. Okay, guys, we're doing one more alpha account, and then the Holy Grail. 6 months. Trade teller. Here we go. The last race right now before the grand finale. Let's run it. Let's do a shuffle. One more shuffle. You little strawberry head. All right, remember, if you win and you are a strawberry head, I will double set price. On your mark. Get set. Go. Okay, we have Dr. Slater. Dr. Slater maintaining a strong lead. But here comes Shamel Sanchez. Shamel Sanchez looking good. But here's Tudor, the little pirate. You little pirate, you. You little arg, I'm a pirate. Arg, I'm a pirate. But here comes... Oh, live trading XAU USD Gold Mr. 1, you little strawberry head. But Shamel Sanchez maintaining a strong lead. James Carter, little Santa Claus coming down my chimney looking good. Dr. Slater maintaining a strong lead. But here comes Shamel Sanchez. It all comes down to the last 10 seconds, people. The diligent gent on the right-hand side. Who's coming up the backfield? Who's coming up the backfield here? You little strawberry head. You little, oh my God. Oh my goodness. What a, guys, wait. I'm lost for words here. That was probably one of the, I thought Strawberry Head had it. I thought the little Strawberry Head had it right there. You little snowman. How'd you get here from the North Pole? It's too hot here for you. You would be melting in the water, you little... Who put that carrot on your nose? You should be working with Santa. Christmas coming. You shouldn't be here yet. You should be on the North Pole. How did you get down here, love? Love, how did you get down here? Did you come on Santa's sleigh? How did you get here, love? You tell me right now. I'm just confused. You should be working overtime at the North Pole. And how are you not melting? It's very hot over here. I'm confused, love. What's going on? You tell me. You be honest. You little snowman. You little carrot nose. Come here. Let me take a bite of that little carrot nose. You get over here. You get over here right now. Okay, is Lovey here? All right. Are we ready? Are we ready? This is the last race of the night. This is the last race of the night. This is the Holy Grail. This is the Holy Grail. This is the Holy Grail right here. 6, count 'em, 6 months. Trade seller. Subscription. This is what dreams are made of. This is what champions are made of. You train your whole life Like, all right, let me give you a motivation. You train your whole life for these ducky races, right? This is what champions are made of right here. You go. This one's for all the marbles. You go and you let it out in this in whatever we are in, this pond. You put it all out on the pond right now. Great moments come with great responsibility, right? You do this for you. You do this for you. You leave it all out on the pond right now. Everything you got, you do it in this race. All right? This is for all the marbles. 6, count them, 6 months. 6. Not 1, not 2, not 3 or 4, not even 5. When I tell you, I mean it. 6, count them, 6 months. Hey, Tella. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Are we ready? Let's shuffle once. All right. This is it. This is what dreams are made of right here. On your mark. Get set. Go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Here comes Adewale, Bello. Adewale, Bello. He's looking good. Here's Axia Futures on the front. Axia Futures in the front. Here comes Justin NG, the little pirate. Oh, but who's full? Oh, he's moving with speed here. Mr. Gold. Jose Hernandez looking good, but here comes Justin NG, the little pirate. Captain Hook. Captain Hook looking really, really strong right now. Zara maintaining good speed right behind him. But we have, who's coming up fast? Manifest FX, the little king of the castle. But Justin NG maintaining a strong lead here away from everybody. Here comes Shoya Bamad. Oh my God. Peter LeBrant. Oh my God. Oh, he did it. Peter LeBrant, you little old fart, you little old turd. I didn't know you had it in you. Oh my God, you little old man. You should get your cane here. He did it. Peter. That little old fart. Look at him with his little bow tie. Are you kidding me, Peter? Peter Piper picked a patch of pickled peppers on the Lex Vital music. You little Peter LeBrant. How did you do that, you little old fart? You probably nearly pulled your back out. You really did leave it all out on the pond, didn't you? You took what I said serious. You really did. You left everything out on the pond. You might have broke your scapula or something, little Peter LeBrant. You might have to be wheelchair bound for the rest of your life, but you really did. You left it all out there on the pond. And I couldn't be more proud of you, little Lex Vital music. Peter LeBrant, you old turd. You look great out there. You ran with such enforcing speed. It was unlike anything I've ever seen. It was crazy. Even in that full outfit, you know, you had your little bow tie on. You didn't even lose your little cigar. Your cigar was hanging in your mouth the whole time. You left everything out there on the damn pond, Peter LeBrant. So proud of you. Unbelievable. Wait, is Lex Vital music even here? I haven't seen. Hold on. Is Lex Vital music here? Oh, Lex Vital music is here. Lex Vital music is here. All right, guys. I got stuff everywhere. Let me do my final message here. All right. Let me take this off for a sec. Do my final message. We do my closing statement. We do my closing statement here. Hold on. Do my closing statement. All right. This is the closing statement of the night. All right. So I just want to say one last thing before we ended tonight's stream. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you seeing this shit? Hold on. Are you seeing this shit? Are you seeing this? Yo, wait, you guys gotta look at this for 1 second. Are you seeing this shit? Get up there, Granny. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this trade, bro. Oh my God. We're flying. Insane. Holy cow. Wow. Dude, look at gold. Look at gold right now. Oh my God. All-time highs coming. All-time highs incoming. Incoming ATH. Bye-bye. All right, let me do my closing statement. And we'll talk in the Discord. We'll We'll talk in the Discord, all right? Let me do my closing statement. Although we didn't get a trade tonight, we are, for everyone that was in the Discord, we are up nice in our swing trade right now on the 4-hour time. Oh my God, it's going for all-time highs right now. Okay, I'm excited. I love you guys. I hope you had another amazing night with me. I'm gonna be on in the morning tomorrow. We'll be trading New York together. And I just wanted to say that I appreciate every single one of you that does come into these streams. Every single person that's here that drops a comment, drops a like, is active in the Discord, talks to me. I love and appreciate every single one of you, and I'm so blessed to have every single one of you in my life. I love you guys to the bottom of my heart. I really do, and this is everything to me. I had such an amazing night. I hope you guys learned something. I hope that even if we didn't take a trade, you understand that I'm trying to give a bigger message here. I'm trying to make every single person here in this chat a great trader, to give you a lifelong skill for the rest of your life. And oh my God, dude. Okay. Whoa, hold on. Holy cow. Dude, wait. Yo. Oh my God. Bro. What the heck? Holy cow. Dude. Gold is pumping. Whoa. All right. Wow. All right. I got to end it there. Guys, I love you to death. I'll see you in the Discord. I love you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I had another amazing stream tonight. I'm so extremely blessed and thankful. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm going to get some rest. I'll see you in the Discord. We're breaking out to all-time highs. Gold is still running. Our swing trade's looking great. Thank you guys, each and every single one of you, for tuning in for another amazing stream. I'll see you guys in the morning tomorrow. Just a few short hours. Let's get some rest. I'll talk to you guys in the Discord. We will see how we react at midnight to this news, obviously, since the government's shutting down. Thank you for each and every one of you coming in here and supporting us, supporting ChartFanatics, supporting me, supporting Marco, supporting every single one here, everyone in the ChartFanatics that's working overtime. I know it's late right now. I love you guys. Thank you, Ant. Thank you, everyone, for working behind the scenes. Everyone in the WhatsApp group. I love all you guys. I'm super appreciative. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for New York Open. Your boy is out. I'm going to get some rest. I'm super happy with how the swing trade's going. Love you. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you in the morning. All right? Love you. Peace.